The DJI Avata 360 is officially on the horizon, and early leaks suggest it could be one of the most disruptive aerial imaging drones DJI has ever released. With retail-style listings circulating in the drone and camera community, the Avata 360 is rumored to start at just 2,988 yuan, roughly $426 USD, making high-quality 360 degrees aerial videography far more accessible than ever before. For those looking for more complete setups, a mid-level bundle including the RC2 controller may land around $569, while the ultimate package, adding FPV goggles, motion controllers, extra batteries, and accessories, could reach roughly $812. Even with regional taxes and shipping, a sub-$500 entry-level 360 drone from DJI would put immense pressure on competitors like Insta360 and other immersive camera brands. Specs are equally impressive. The Avata 360 is expected to feature a 1-inch image sensor capable of 6K HDR video at 60 frames per second, delivering excellent low-light performance, dynamic range, and cinematic flexibility. Some leaks hint at a more advanced dual 1.1-inch sensor for an 8K 360 degrees experience, suggesting DJI may launch a multi-tier lineup, a standard version for vloggers and content creators, and a pro variant for VR filmmakers, real estate professionals, and immersive studios. Safety is also a focus. Full omnidirectional obstacle avoidance is rumored, a first for the Avata series, crucial for 360 degrees filming where pilots are often focused on framing rather than obstacles. Combined with DJI's latest Rocksteady 4.0 and Horizon Steady, the drone promises smooth, immersive footage even during aggressive FPV maneuvers or tight indoor fly-throughs. If these leaks hold true, the DJI Avata 360 could revolutionize aerial imaging, offering fully stitched, high-resolution 360 degrees video for under $1,000 in a complete kit. Its potential applications are vast: real estate walkthroughs, travel documentaries, adventure content, automotive showcases, virtual tourism, YouTube vlogging, and action sports, bringing immersive perspectives to creators across all industries. Rumors point to an early 2026 launch, just in time for spring travel season. DJI seems ready to redefine expectations, blurring the line between consumer and professional tools, and setting a new benchmark for affordable, intelligent 360 degrees FPV drones. The DJI Avata 360 isn't just another drone, it might just be the future of immersive aerial storytelling.